Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on, and good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute of Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here's your quote for today. Never allow a place of employment to wear you out. A job will replace you in a heartbeat, so be sure to never die over one. If your job is wearing you down slowly, day by day, grinding you down mentally as well, it's probably time for a change. That workplace, your boss, will 100% replace you if they had to, if you left or even died over it. Look after yourself and your health before it's even too late to even start.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.